Hello, today I'll be sharing with you my two senior cats, Viktoria and Minnin. Victoria's 11 years old and Minnin is 10. Although they are sisters, they do fight. We adopted Minnin at Best Friends and Viktoria we got from the streets. Viktoria was basically my first pet. She broke her leg one time and we got Minnin to cheer her up. Now they're inseparable, yet still fight, but it's okay. So over the years I noticed that they don't groom themselves very well, and we now cut their fur at least once a year. We also brush them daily, just to keep up with the maintenance. Since they are long-haired and they're senior cats, they need the extra maintenance. And we've tried a ton of brushes. Usually it makes such a mess when we are brushing them. The fur just literally flies everywhere. So we tried out this new brush from Romp. So ROMPETS sent over 2 of their slicker brushes, and this brush is a grooming essential. Now this brush has a special button on it. All you do is push down the button and it will release the bristles. What I like about this brush is that the bristles have little coating on them. It easily pulls out any knots and tangles and any dander that they might have in their fur. So if they are shedding, this will definitely help. It's also very ergonomic, so when you're brushing them, your hands won't hurt or get really tired. And I love this button because it really helps make the fur not get everywhere, and you just push the button and it just pops off. It also feels very sturdy, so if your pet gets into it, I'm sure the brush will be fine. It penetrates the fur all the way to the undercoat and brushes out any excess hair. I wanted to compare each fluff ball from my cats. So first I brushed Minnin, since her fur is a lot more dense than Victoria's. I find that since Minnin has gained a little bit more weight, and the factor that she is senior, she seems to have a bit of a harder time to groom herself, and I think she's the one who sheds the most. So Minnin's fur is a lot thicker than Victoria's, and it's a lot more slick and smooth. She does have like some type of wave, but it doesn't make it frizzy or anything like that, so it's a lot easier to brush. She doesn't get very many tangles, it's just more of shedding. So this is Minnin's pile. Now for Viktoria. So Viktoria loves to be brushed. We have to brush her a little bit more than Minnin. She has very fine fur, but a lot of it. So because we do keep up with her brushing more than Minnin, she didn't have as much as a pile as Minnin, but this is Viktoria's pile. And now this is both of them combined. I knew Minnin was gonna have a much bigger pile than Viktoria. I will link everything in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. So if you're not already, please take the time to subscribe. You can find us on Instagram at Grotesque Makeup, TikTok at Grotesque Makeup, of course YouTube here, Grotesque Makeup. I hope that you are doing very well, and please take care. Bye.